How to use Temu gift card online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can use Temu gift card online. For this, you want to open the Temu app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, a gift card is a card or token that can be exchanged for a specified cash value of goods or services. If you have a Temu gift card and you want to use that, follow these simple steps. Step 1 is to tap on the U icon at the bottom of your screen. From here, you have the option of coupons and offers. Tap on that option. Now, whether you have a coupon code, a promotional code, or a gift card code, all of that can be applied over here. So you want to tap on this box. Here you want to enter your gift card code. After you have entered that, tap on the apply option. If the code you have entered is valid, it will be applied over here. Now, during checkout, you can simply use this gift card to pay for your purchase, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.